New, universal airbag vest from Held.
Welcome to the Motorcycle News. With the airbag vest eVest, Held Biker Fashion is launching the further development of the eVest clip-in on the market in September. Thanks to the front zipper, it is possible to wear the vest under every common motorcycle jacket. Like its predecessor, the eVest will also be equipped with clip-in attachment points to connect it to compatible Held jackets. This makes the jacket and the vest a unit, so you can wear both at the same time. With the eVest, a compatible jacket is no longer a must. The eVest is equipped with the so-called Intelligent Protection System technology, which requires neither sensors on the motorcycle nor a connection to the motorcycle. All necessary components are built into the vest itself. The outer material of the eVest consists of a very light and elastic-sensitive mesh material. Mesh inserts on the sides and 3D air mesh lining on the back ensure optimal breathability. A back protector made of viscoelastic soft foam is already included as standard. Breast and rib protectors can be retrofitted as an option. A gas cartridge, which is necessary to fill the airbag in the event of a fall, has been integrated into the back protector. The control module Anand box is installed in the hard shell element on the back part of the vest. The Anand box is the brain of the airbag vest, in which an intelligent algorithm evaluates the data from the built-in sensors. Acceleration and position of the biker are determined about 1,000 times per second. If an accident situation is detected, the airbag can be triggered within a fraction of a second. Less than 60 milliseconds are needed to completely fill the airbag cushion and supply it with optimum pressure to provide the driver with the best possible protection. In the event of a fall, however, not only is the impact energy absorbed, but the rider's body is also stabilized to prevent injuries to the spine and protect organs. Accident data is stored by the Anand box and can optionally be sent to Anand Motion. This allows the system to regularly improve the detection strategy and provide the system with updates. Updates can also be installed without a data release. After a fall, the system itself can be reactivated by replacing the gas cartridge. The airbag vest is offered in sizes S to 3XL at a recommended retail price of €349.95. The brain of the vest, the Anand box, is included in the scope of delivery and is ready for use for 48 hours after initial operation. In order to be able to use it permanently, a membership with Anand Motion is required. There you can decide whether to permanently activate the Anand box, which is necessary for proper use of the vest, at a one-time price of €399.95, or to lease it for €12 per month or €120 per year. There is also an optional Racetrack mode that can be added for an additional €8 per month or €25 per year, also applies to the purchase option of the Anand box. The costs for an Anand Motion membership are handled directly and not via the Held dealer. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, I would be happy about a thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any more news, you can also subscribe to the channel for free. You can find more and constantly updated news on the homepage MOTORCYCLES.NEWS or in the free app Motorcycle News for Android and iOS.